Hi guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. I'll just check कि मेरा background कैसा लग रहा है so that I can kind of fix it. Is that okay?
Sure. Yes, we are up and running on Facebook.
Yeah, I think it's pretty decent now. Fix the lighting as well. So, what is gonna happen today? I'm kind of clueless. अपना mic unmute करना पड़ेगा if you have to.
So as and when we'll start, you'll get to know.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is the better lighting, right? Rather
Yeah,
than
it was fine. It was
over
before
there.
also. Okay.
Hey guys, can you see us?
Yes, we can see you. I can see you. Soha ma'am को नहीं दिख रही.
We can't see ourselves, तो आप ही लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, ma'am, we can see you.
Yes, you are visible.
Yes, visible.
Is the angle okay?
Yeah, all of you look good.
Thank you.
Oh, this is live on Facebook.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm
damn.
on YouTube too.
I love what they've done with your background.
Yashvi is also there. Okay.
Am I visible now? Hi.
Yes,
you
you are
are.
visible.
This is what I've done in my entire quarantine. Switched on my camera and asked the teachers, am I visible? Is my presentation visible?
So
What is
happy. We are here. Now we are conducting an event. So are we visible?
You are visible, all of you did. I was just observing how nervous you were, and then it was like, was there a plan? We'll also know about the plan when it starts. I'm like, okay.
We'll roll as and when we start.
Correct.
Sorry for the inconvenience though. It was a little late. Really very sorry. The previous event started a little late and ended a little late. We're so sorry.
That's okay.
Okay. So I guess we'll wait for a minute or so and then start. Right?
Sure. Come forward a little bit. Hi, Pragati. I think let's start the event.
Let's start.
Come on.
Shall we
Honey,
start?
please continue. Yeah.
समय चाहे कितना भी बुरा हो, मुसाफिर भी ढूंढ लेते हैं रास्ता. महीनों बंद रही इस दुनिया में, हमने भी ढूंढ ही लिया कारवां हमारा. Hello guys, I am Vani Bajpai, one of your dearest hosts for today. I welcome you all to Spandan 2020, the annual media festival of WIPS. We welcome Professor Dr. Siddharth Mishra, Chairman BSGMC WIPS, and Professor Dr. Charulata Singh, Dean BSGMC WIPS, and all the teachers, guests, and students. Professor Dr. Siddharth Mishra is a print media journalist, TV panelist, and author with more than 25 years of experience. He has covered every general election since 1996 and been a legislative reporter for long years. Professor Dr. Charulata Singh is a renowned media academician with around 22 years of experience in media and media education. We also welcome Dr. Devrati Dhar, Dr. Anila Tahir Ramani, and Dr. Tehzeeb Fatma, assistant professors VSDMC WIPS, to be our faculty guests. Without the guidance of each one of you, we would not have been able to organize such a big event. We are conducting Closed Gates, Open Minds, a talk show that will revolve around how lockdown helped these creators to entertain all of us. Our gifting partner is Mr. Mustaches Cakes, which is a father-daughter duo home bakery based in Gurugram. Now, let me introduce you to the most awaited guest for the evening, super duo the Bajis, Miss Soha and Miss Shazma, the youngest Miss Yashvi Bagga, and our own alumna, Miss Vipasha Malhotra. The Bajis are a sister duo who creates comedy content on Instagram and YouTube. To give a unique touch to their content, they have fictional characters who talk over tea about their day-to-day gossip of the neighborhood. Miss Yashvi Bagga is a budding lifestyle blogger who posts videos regularly on YouTube about fashion, travel, and food. Being active on Instagram as well, she posts comedy videos and reels on her channel, doing reviews on movies, college life, and so on and so on. Miss Vipasha Malhotra is an experimental stand-up comedian who does musical comedy. She is also a professional singer and a voiceover artist. She has recorded jingles for various brands such as Google, Times of India, and Radio Mirchi. We are immensely honored to call her an alumna of VSDMC WIPS. तो क्या हुआ अगर दरवाजे बंद थे, दरवाजों के पीछे आप हमारे संग थे, मुश्किल वक्त में भी लिया सबका दिल जीत, आपका स्वागत है आने के लिए हमारे बीच. So without any further ado, let's get in talk with these super talented creators and know how they kept themselves sane and the audience entertained. So now over to you, Pragati.
क्या आपसे हमारा संपर्क बना हुआ है वानी? क्या आपको हमारी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो हेलो, क्या मैं दिख रही हूँ? मैं दिख रही हूँ?
जी बिल्कुल
दिख रही हूँ. चलो बढ़िया बात है. ये पूरी क्वारंटीन आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, दिख रही हूँ, सुनाई दे रहा है, सब कुछ हुआ होगा. एंड आज हम, और इसकी वजह से we would have all got insane if content creators like these wouldn't have been there for us, to entertain us, to be there for us, so for everything, and we are thanking you for that. So for that, like पहले सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन इसी बात पे शुरू करते हैं कि क्वारंटीन में इतना ऑसम कंटेंट बनाने का आइडिया आया कैसे आप लोगों को? So let's start with the Bajis.
Hi guys, it's very nice to be here, and let's do the honors. बताइए.
First, it's a little hard to digest that. So it took us a while to realize that you were talking about us in such high regard. We thought, oh, actually they're talking about someone, and we were listening, and suddenly it struck us, अरे नहीं ये तो हमारी बात हो रही है. So thanks a lot. So we started off, it was Shazma's idea कि let's start making videos because we were good at doing mimicry, and we just made a video randomly, and we sent it to our mother, and being HOD at WhatsApp University, she forwarded it to a couple of family groups, and that's how I think it went viral. And as they say, shooting to fame overnight. We don't want to sound too high-headed, but yes, we actually shot to fame overnight, and the video went viral, and then we started getting demands from Dubai and I think most of the places from UP that we want to see more of this content. So we decided to make more, and here we are, 6 months and doing. We are actually proud of where we are come. We've come a far way.
Should be. I guess now I will ask Yashvi, how did you start? How did you come up with the idea and everything in this quarantine?
Man, I'll be very honest with you. I've always been this Bollywood baby. ठीक है, whenever you take up science, तुम्हारे दिमाग के background में there's always this voice telling you कि देखो science ले रहे हो, engineering करो, मतलब side में कुछ और करना है, ठीक है. 3 Idiots वाले को गिटार बजानी थी ना, तुम्हें भी side में कुछ करना है. And then I quarantine में obviously all these trends were going on, we were going through videos daily. तो मैं सोचा कि इंस्टा पे स्वाइप करते करते कभी अपना वीडियो क्यों नहीं आ सकता यार. So then obviously Kusha Kapila is the queen, Dolly Singh is the queen. And I thought why not make comedy videos, because lockdown में जिस चीज को तुम सबसे ज्यादा मिस कर रहे हो right now is your college and your school. तो मैंने सोचा इसी से start करते हैं. Made a few college videos, started with Pearl, then Whips of course, and then DU, and those three boomed up. So I was like, why not take content from people in these colleges, make these scripts, and that was actually working well. So then I shifted the genres to movie K reviews, to college K reviews, to types of people in cities while driving, while watching movies, and that's how it became a trend. So here we are. And thank you for the beautiful intro, man. As beautiful as you are, and your smile is. That smile is exactly
Thank
the
you
reason I
so
was making these videos.
So now our alumni. So what do you want to say,
अच्छा
Vipasha?
मैं यहाँ पे बस alumni बन के रह गई हूँ क्या? So now अरे ये तो अपने
No,
घर
no.
की है.
You
हाँ
are
हाँ
more than
बताइए.
that. You are the most content creator, our entertainer, beautiful singer. You're looking beautiful. So tell me, how did you got an idea about it?
So I mean,
Yeah, we're so proud of it to call you.
yeah, I'm so proud to be here. I never thought that I would be invited as a guest for the fest that I used to like sort of run
Be
away
part
from
of.
कि oh God ये फिर से शुरू हो गया हमारा स्पंदन. But yeah, I mean, my journey with the internet started like long back. I started my YouTube channel back in 2012 because I've always had an interest in music. But मैंने कभी भी कुछ भी like consistently नहीं किया. But ever since like I started working with Radio Mirchi and उसके बाद मेरे को काफी opportunities मिली जिसकी वजह से you know I felt like okay, I have a knack for humor, I'm quirky, I'm funny and everything. So I got into stand up. And then जैसे ये lockdown शुरू हुआ, all like my stages shut down जहाँ पे भी हम जाते हैं दिल्ली में perform करने के लिए, you know I was really missing to like people's laughter and you know वो enjoyment and जब हम म्यूजिक बजाते हैं या जो भी ऑडियंस हमारे साथ ग्रूव करती है. तो you know ऐसा हो गया कि बस एक पुश था कि फ्रॉम अब बंद हो गया ये तो अब कहाँ से एक्सप्रेस करूँ अपने आप को. दिस वाज माय मेन थिंग. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग वीडियोस. सबसे पहले तो मैंने रामायण पे बनाया था एंड दैट एक्चुअली वेंट रियली वायरल ऑन फेसबुक. यू नो जब अभी रामायण बीच में चल रहा था, दे हैड दिस होल मतलब पूरा उसका सीरीज चला
The boom of lockdown. Ramayana, Mahabharat.
yeah. So I just felt like उसमें इतनी शुद्ध हिंदी and इतना like ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि कोई देख के कैसे obsess हो जाएगा उससे, and like they'll start using words like यदि, कदापि, अगर, and you know stuff like that. And that's how I made my first sketch, including my parents and everyone, and then it went really viral. फिर उसके बाद I felt like okay, you know, let's do something different. Then I started making meme songs. I made the song "Oh Bhai Maro Mujhe Maro." I think you might have heard of this on Facebook. वो जो there was that cricketer ना, Pakistani cricketer, अरे ओ भाई मारो मुझे. So I made a song on that. Oh bhai maro mujhe maro. And that's how, you know, that's kind of been my journey, and ever since then I've been motivated to give something new to the people. So yeah, that's why. Wow.
Sorry, my neck. It is a little problem. So a beautiful experience that you had in quarantine, which led to our entertainment. You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, actually,
My
slightly.
Yeah.
Prakriti, you
internet
have
is a little.
some
There's a
internet
little
issue.
issue, I think. Hello. So yeah, hello. You can hear me now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you for creating such beautiful content and entertaining us during this lockdown. So I'd asked the Bajis, you said your video went viral on WhatsApp, and what was your reaction कि जब आपका ही वीडियो आपको फॉरवर्ड होके आए तो like oh my god मेरा वीडियो मुझे आ गया, कैसा रिएक्शन था वो आपका? If you would like to share with us.
Actually हमें नहीं आया था, but then other people started sending us messages, from your school, all your relatives. We want more. Like within 48 hours, like at least 100 people sent us messages. Then when we made our Instagram account, we had 1,000 subscribers in one day. And so, every day there was a new surprise waiting for us. But then later on, when you make videos now, the new video has to be better than the previous one. So khali excitement nahi hota hai. There's a lot of stress and tension also involved, and it's not easy. We just watch other people's videos and we just comment achhi nahi hai, achhi hai. It takes in a lot of effort.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. And I'll ask Yashvi now. Like we have the sister duo. Yashvi does some videos with her grandmother. So दादी के साथ वो भी पंजाबी दादी जरांदी है ते शोर ही मचांदी है ते
पंजाबी
like
दादी
तो आपको दादी पीछे आ भी गई है
पंजाबी दादी अच्छी है
सत श्री अकाल दादी
okay so listen to me now I
Hello,
make
दादी
content on daily basis but
दादी
there
का
are
नाम
times-
लिया और दादी आ गई
fans guys fans okay so there are times when I don't have a script in my head okay
सत श्री
because
अकाल
you
दादी
can't get new ideas so then I have my dadi to the rescue I show her some pictures she reacts to it and it always goes viral so hello ji आप ही की बात हो रही थी कुछ पंजाबी दस दो सब ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ that's the first nervousness of
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ऐसा लगता साडी दादी बोल रही है मेरी दादी अजे पीछे बोलदी पई ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸੇਮ ਆ ਬਿਲकुल दादी वाली फीलिंग आंदी है ਸਾਰੀ ਦਾਦੀਆਂ ਸੇਮ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦੇਖੋ ਫਰਸਟ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਾਨੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਗॉट द वेपन्स
नानी दादी
और की
हाँ और की यू शुड यूज ये ब्रह्मास्त्र है
ये ब्रह्मास्त्र
ये ब्रह्मास्त्र है ब्रह्मास्त्र so we moving on to Vipasha now and Vipasha you are comedian as well as a singer so if you want to consider yourself as one what will you choose आप comedian है singer है क्या है the mystery
I would like to sum it up as a performer entertainer क्योंकि I think that's the special thing about the internet about social media कि यहाँ पे you don't have to fit in a box everyone is unique आप किसी से compete नहीं कर रहे हो आप कोई competition में नहीं हो किसी के साथ you are your own individual and people are willing to kind of get to know who you are like आपके हो सकते हैं बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट हो लाइक मैं कुकिंग भी करती हूँ अपने पेज पे आई इवन पोस्ट सिंगिंग वीडियोस बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई अगर कोई आर्टिस्ट है तो वो एक ही चीज करता है लाइफ में लाइक यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ कीप स्विचिंग थिंग्स अप टू कीप इट एंटरटेनिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ एज वेल सो आई थिंक दैट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट
Okay, so we are talking about entertainment and हमारे पास हमारी बाजी है और हमारी बाजी हमारे साथ हो और ये अपने पौध बिल्कुल परत में जो बिल्कुल संभाल के पिटारा रखा हुआ है ना इन्होंने बातों का और वो हमारे साथ ना करे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा हमें बिल्कुल भी तो जो हमारी बाजी चंद शब्द बोल दे जहाँ पे हमारी स्पंदन आई है तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा हम अपनी ऑडियंस से जो ऑडियंस जहाँ बैठी हुई है इनको भी बुलाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि कुछ बताइए जो सुनना चाहते हैं हमारी प्यारी प्यारी सुंदर सुंदर बाजियों के मुंह से चलिए ऑडियंस प्लीज
So we have a question coming up from anonymous attendee for Bajis that they asked that what was the critical comment you got from your family members at the difficulties you faced during the time of making videos?
So basically, our mom really wanted us to do this and we actually weren't serious about it. She has been telling this to us for the last 3 years. So everyone is very supportive. So is getting married now. So her would-be mother-in-law, उनसे कोई पूछता है कि बेटी क्या करती है, she doesn't say that she's a journalist. They just open the channel and show कि ये करती है. So till now we have only received alhamdulillah appreciation and but there are other people, some fans who keep giving us good comments.
और वो उसका कुछ चार्ज भी नहीं करते, मुफ्त का ज्ञान। आप ये क्यों नहीं करती हैं? आप ये करा करिए। And one thing that's actually funny for us is that it's because they see us in this sort of get up in our videos, they don't want to see the real life bajis, they enjoy real life bajis. तो अगर हमें वो कभी ऐसे देख लेंगे, आपने ये क्यों किया, आप भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, नाराज हो जाते हैं। तो वो हमारे साथ होता है, बस वो भी हेल्दी क्रिटिसिज्म है। so far appreciation ज्यादा है criticism से, so we are happy.
तो जे यहाँ पे आई हैं आप लोग, तो जे जहीं के बारे में बोल दीजिए थोड़ा सा, यहाँ विप्स में स्पंदन क्या कहना चाहेंगे हमारी बाजी?
बेटा तुमने इतना हल्के रंग का कुर्ता क्यों पहना हुआ है?
ना ना
बस कोई अच्छा रंग नहीं है, लाल रंग नहीं है।
सॉरी,
ठीक है फीके कलर पहनी हो तुम, लाली भी नहीं लगाई तुमने।
जे अदाब करना भूल गए थे हम आपको, ये हाथ उठा के कर रहे हैं अदाब।
हाँ सीधा हाथ उठाए कहते हैं सलालेकुम।
सलावालेकुम।
वालेकुम का सलाम नहीं करा इसने हमें आके। और ये ना उस कॉलेज की हैं, विप्स विप्स करती फिर रही है। अरे इनके बच्चे पढ़ते वढ़ते नहीं है, इनके माँ बापों ने फीस दिए, बिना बात के कैमरे लेके फिरते रहेंगे सारे वक्त। अरे पढ़ लो, कैमरा लेके फिरते फिरेंगे, इसकी मूवी बना ली, इसका फोटो खींच लिया, वो कोई पढ़ाई है?
और इनका इतना बड़ा ग्राउंड था, वहां पर हर वक्त लड़के लड़कियां आपस में बैठ के खलामला करते रहते थे, तो उन्होंने बिल्डिंग बनवा दी वहां पे। उन्होंने कहा बिल्डिंग बना दो, खत्म करो, जड़ से किस्सा खत्म कर दिया।
माँ बाप ने पैसे पट करे इनको भेज के, इससे तो ये था कि स्कूल में डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बन जाते।
शादी करा देते भाई, 12वीं कर ली, उसके बाद शादी कर लो, बच्चा करो।
हाँ
कॉलेज जाने की जरूरत ही क्या, बाल खोल खोल के बैठी नहीं यहाँ पे।
बेटे तुम्हारी अम्मी को पता है तुम यहाँ पर आई नहीं हो, हैं? कि कॉलेज के नाम पे तुम ये कर रही हो, टिप्स और टिप्स, इन सब में कुछ नहीं रखा, पढ़ाई कर लो तुम।
अम्मी भी देख रही हैं हमारी साथ में।
Yeah, you want us to continue? Or should we give a chance to others?
We can
Because we can go on forever.
you were having a lot of fun with you, listening to you. It was awesome.
Pragati,
Pragati,
I
I
think
think
we should continue.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
तो
so
ये
you
जो
should
बैठी हुई
continue
है,
a
जो
little
गाना
more.
गा रही थी, इनका गाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। इनको वो आता है, लब पे आती है दुआ, वो गा के सुना देंगे हमें।
मीठी।
और वो जो दूसरा बाल में बैठी है, लंबे लंबे बालों की, जिसके बड़े बड़े नाखून है, वो जो दूसरी गेस्ट है आपकी, इतने बड़े बड़े नाखून, बेटे क्या करती हो नाखूनों से तुम?
खरोचा मार लेगी, ज्यादा मत बोल। हाँ सही कह रही हो। खूबसूरत
जी आपकी शादी होने वाली है ना, इसीलिए कराए हैं।
अच्छा, अब बोली, इतनी देर से चुप बैठी हुई घुन्नी सुन रही थी, एकदम से बोली, हाँ बेटे इतना मुंह नहीं चलाते, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बुरी बात है, ठीक है, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता है।
जी आपकी बात का एकदम ध्यान रखेंगे हम।
जाते जाते कुछ दोगी तो बता दो।
हाँ कुछ दे दो, 10-5 रुपए रिक्शा के दे दो।
नहीं, जे आपका पार्सल आने वाला है, दरवाजे पे ही खड़ा होगा, वो कह रहा है
दादी आई है,
तो आपका गिफ्ट भी फटाफट से आ गया है।
अरे फटाफट आ गया,
आपको ऐसे खाली
हाथ नहीं जाने की, आपका पार्सल ही गेट पर आ गया है।
अच्छा, गिफ्ट कह रहे हैं, गिफ्ट भेजा है, इसकी क्या जरूरत है,
गिफ्ट
रख लेंगे,
भेजा है, गिफ्ट भेजा है, बिल्कुल शादी का भी गिफ्ट भेजा है, यहाँ आने का भी गिफ्ट भेजा है।
अच्छा
500 रुपए से कम का तो नहीं है, आजकल कोई नहीं देता, 500 रुपए का होना चाहिए कम से कम। बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही है तुम्हारी, तुम्हारा इंटरनेट सही नहीं है। टूट क्या?
I guess Pragati, there is a technical glitch at your end.
गिलीच क्या होता है?
गिलीच वो होता है जो बाल में लगाते हैं ना पीछे को करके।
अच्छा गिलीच वाला क्लिप।
कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई है इनके इंटरनेट पे।
फोन आ रहा है उसी का, ये ना वो फोन कर रही है, हमने आपके लिए गिफ्ट जो भेजी है ना, जो गिफ्ट जो भेजी है उसका फोन आ रही है, कह रही है मैं दरवाजे पे खड़ा हूँ, कोई खोल ही नहीं रहा है, बताओ।
कम बखत मैं देख के आ रही हूँ जरा। तुम
देख के आओ, कह रहे दरवाजे पे मैं खड़ा है, और ओटीपी
वाली उनसे बात कर लो तुम, जब तक मैं देख के आ रही हूँ।
जी हाँ,
सही है, उनकी दादी को मेरा सलाम कह देना।
I think we can.
I think we can move ahead. Pragati, can you just
we must
mute yourself?
Ambika, we can go with the question and answers from the audience till then.
Yes.
Okay, so one second.
I have a question from Soumya Sharma. It is, what is one
Yes,
thing you
we can
need
move
when you
ahead.
think of starting making videos and content
Yeah.
for
So before we go to that round, we have Vipasha with us, beautiful singer. Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Audible.
Hello. Yeah, I can.
Please, somebody else take over. I think Pragati has some internet issues.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Okay, Vipasha,
Can
we
you
would love to
hear
hear
me?
you.
Can you see me?
डिसाइड कर लो पहले, आपस में डिसाइड कर लो कौन बोलेगा.
I think we can hear from
Pragati,
you,
I
Vipasha.
can take this forward, okay? Is it okay with you?
Hello. हाँ. Yeah.
Okay.
क्या हो गया?
I think we are having some technical glitch. Ambika, please continue. Yeah.
Your mic is mute.
Am I audible, Vipasha, now? Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Can you please sing a song for us? It will be great hearing you today.
For sure. But don't you think that we should like wrap up the session with a song instead of like doing it right away?
You can sing twice. You were singing beautifully. We'd love to hear you.
Okay. I'll just sing the funny meme song that I made right now, and then later I'll sing like a more melodic song. How about
Great.
that?
Great.
Okay. So ये dialogue सबने सुना हुआ है, ठीक है? So just try to like engage, groove maybe. Wait, I need to change the scale. You have to give me a minute.
No issue. Take your time.
Yeah. Okay. So here's my little ukulele. कल रात लोग बर्गर खाते रहे हैं, कल रात लोग पिज़्ज़ा खाते रहे हैं. नानो क्रिकेट छुड़वाओ, ते दंगल लड़वाओ, इनसे कहो दंगल लड़े. मतलब कोई फिटनेस कोई कुछ नहीं है, हम यहाँ इनसे इतनी उम्मीदें लगा बैठे हैं. एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी. ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, नी ये कोई मजाक है क्या? Sing with me. ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो, नी ये कोई मजाक है क्या? That was it. Thank you.
Wow, beautiful.
It was beautiful. Beautiful.
You are so blessed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vipasha, for singing this beautiful song in your magnificent voice. And
it's actually a meme song. You're supposed to.
But
like,
it was beautiful.
No, but
Yeah,
you
it was
were
funny
really
also,
great.
but
You were
that's
really great.
beautiful.
I must tell you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. I also want to thank our audience who have been so patient with us. Now I would like to conclude this. Okay, so we have a time foundation. So I request our teacher, faculty member, Miss Devrati ma'am, to say a few words.
I think we can do a question and answer with Yashvi, please. Because we have questions coming up for Yashvi as well.
Okay, sure. We can go ahead.
Yeah. So Yashvi, can you please tell how do you deal with the hate or the love that you get? Like you get so much love or so much hate sometimes. So you can get carried away with it, right? So how do you take care of that?
देखो, first of all, I'll tell you all something. ये Vips वालों के पास ना, they didn't have the budget to call Alia Bhatt on the show, and everybody was showcasing their talent. तो मैं भी अपना talent दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है? So hi guys, this is Alia Bhatt, and Alia Bhatt gets a lot of hate. Okay, so when I decided to do her mimicry, instantly knew that I'll receive a lot of hate as well, and I was ready for it all this while. And nepotism from my dad is my age, but उसके बाद भी मुझे movies मिल रहे हैं. So like life is good. So I don't really focus on the hate, but little bit of it keeps coming. But when I scroll the comments ना, तो वो नीचे चला जाता है. Then I don't focus on it. So it's all good. And then I got Dadi na. Dadi say hi na. So man, I think life is all about positivity, and all you should do is focus on it. Hate aata hai, it's compulsory. Even if I make a video that's not offensive, I'll still get hate on it. And as the bio says, offensive memes are also memes. So it's all chill in life.
Yashi, we can't see Dadi. Can you
You
change
can't
the
see Dadi.
angle? Can you change the
We're
angle?
You have
all
to pay me
fans
extra
of
bucks for it.
Dadi.
Excuse me. I can collaborate, but when it's about Dadi, I'm gonna make bugs on it. So you better Paytm me like 500, 600. Only then she's coming into the screen. Excuse me.
We are all
But
fangirling.
okay, ठीक है. I'll give you one झलक. एक बार आगे से शक्ल दिखा के ना फटाफट पीछे हो जाओ. इन्होंने पैसे नहीं दिए शक्ल दिखाने के. फटाफट होना है, हाँ. बस
Hello,
hi बोल दो.
Dadi.
अब पीछे हो जाओ. भाग
Shashikal,
जाओ.
Dadi, Shashikal.
That is all you get. इतने में इतना ही मिलता है, हाँ. Sorry.
Okay, moving on. Last question. So, while making videos, was there any funny incident that might have become a learning lesson for you all?
You're asking this too?
Okay, let's start with Vipasha first.
You mean to say a funny incident that became a lesson?
Lesson or a funny incident in general
While
that
making
you
a
like to
video
share.
maybe.
Oh, okay. So I recently collaborated with this famous comedian Surbhi, because she also lives in Ghaziabad. I also live in Faridabad, and we kind of connected over the DMs, and we got together to make a video together. And हमारा पूरा video ऐसा बना है that, you know, while speaking the dialogues, I guess we both are like really chirpy, bubbly girls. So हम लोग बोलते बोलते हमारी एकदम हंसी छूट रही थी, and you know there was no way to control it. So what I did was, instead of like controlling it, or instead of trying to like really act it, we just shot it in one go, however it came, and then usi ko post kar diya, like a sketch slash blooper. And people are going crazy in the comments ki, oh my god, you losing character like 10 times, but this is the most hilarious shit that I've seen. So I think that was a really funny experience. Also, I did one collaboration with Gorgeous Potato, Karan Sareen. So uske साथ में we did like this dance of 90s, ऐसा जो करते हैं ना करिश्मा कपूर, and like they do all these cringy sort of steps. तो उसको करते करते, I think when I was shooting the video at my house, my mom was kind of sitting on the sofa watching me make a fool out of myself. तो वो बहुत ही funny था, like to come up with all those steps, and yeah, the whole process of it is really fun.
So did you expect कि मतलब लोग देखेंगे वो videos? मतलब you posted it as a fun. So मतलब what was your reaction when people were liking it so much?
Dude, मतलब मुझे पता था कि it's going to be great, but I didn't know that it will blow up so much that, you know, Tanmay Bhatt and all these like famous ass comedians are like sharing it, and I get to connect with them over a video. Matlab, that was the craziest part of it. It was completely not expected कि इतना ज़्यादा viral चला जाएगा, but yeah, it was super fun.
Directing the same question to the Bajis, what was your first reaction when your WhatsApp video went viral?
So obviously we were very happy, and the lesson that you said that we learned was, so everybody was asking us कि आप लोग को हंसी नहीं आती, आप लोग कैसे शूटिंग करते हैं. So once I just compiled few behind the scenes वाले portions, and that became even more famous. So it became a lesson for us कि जब content नहीं बना है, we are busy, so just compile those and then post it. People, they demand for it. So that's one thing. And one great thing that happened was, so since our comedy is Urdu comedy, right? So we have a lot of from Gulf and other countries, Urdu speaking areas. वहाँ से बहुत सारा, तो there's an actor, Imran Abbas. So he sent us some messages. He keeps sending us messages. Now they tell us कि हमारे ऊपर भी एक video बनाओ. Then there's another very good actress from Pakistan. Her name is Nadia Afghan. And one day I was just, because Soha's getting married in like next few days. So we just sent a message. We said we want to collaborate for the wedding. And then there's a designer who just said, okay, Harish Shakil Couture. I said, हाँ होंगे कोई. When I went back and I checked, he was the top designer from Pakistan. So we were like, oh God, ये तो बहुत serious हो गया है अब. And also Diva magazine Pakistan covered us. So that was another very good thing for us. So we are still, a lot of people don't understand Urdu, so they don't relate to us. But so we are, we're making another video on Silpi and Charu, who are girls from West Delhi. So you guys must go and watch that too. You'll love it.
Well, sir, I have to congratulate Ms. Soha first for her wedding. Very, very congratulations from me and my team. We are very excited that we'll look forward to all your Instagram stories. We are basically following all the posts and stories that you're posting with the
बाजी की
tag Baji
शादी.
ki Shadi.
No
Yeah.
more
Follow you guys
surprise
right
की हो
now.
गई शादी नहीं हुई rant. हाय surprise की हो गई शादी नहीं हुई. Finally it's happened. For the sake of all my brown relatives, I'm getting married.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, Yashvi, I have just this one question. Basically, lockdown में, मतलब when everything was going so crazy, मतलब सब कुछ इतना ज़्यादा crazy हो रहा था आसपास. So, मतलब how was it? कि मतलब मैं content कैसे बनाऊँ? मतलब मैं videos कैसे create करूँ? मतलब what are the topics that I should, मतलब किस पे मेरे को बनाना चाहिए?
I only capture the topics that people are most missing right now. You'd say their friends, their family, the dur wale relatives, any rants that are going on around, any topics that are going on around. But इस question से ज़्यादा important, I think वो question है जो आपने उन दोनों को पूछा, that what is one thing that you've learned about content creation. So I think जब मैं individually videos बना रही होती हूँ, there's no need for scripts, ठीक है? Because I know what I have to do. I switch the camera on, I turn the green screen, I do it. But when I'm making a script with somebody else, like Vipasha mentioned that she was doing this comedy and then they started laughing and it was like a blooper. Same happened with me when I went for this shoot with Apar Shakti yesterday. So we had an idea in mind. We knew how to do it. But when we came in front of the camera, we were messing with the dialogues. So then we sat down, we did a script before it, then went again through it. So that was very patient of him. But I think having a script is very important. That is one thing that I've learned. So now I've started making scripts for my own self also. So that is one thing. And I think if you want to make content on topics that are not yet covered. Because, in the starting, this might be a little negative, but I unfollowed all the influencers I was following, from Dolly to Kusha, because when you see their videos continuously, there's a quirk of them that comes into you. And then when you make a video, people are like, you are acting like Kusha. Even if you're not, there's a certain taste or a certain accent that you get from these people. So that is another lesson, that don't stop following them if you want to get into the same stream. So two things, man.
Okay. Yeah.
And I think it's a great advice.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is. It actually happens.
saves
Even
you.
we did the same. Yeah.
Yeah, it saves you
One
from a lot
question.
of backlash, man. Even when I did the Alia videos, I only followed her for the 1 week when I had to mimic her to just learn it. Otherwise, I again unfollowed it. You can. This is a human instinct. You watch somebody regularly, you start being like them. I watch a Netflix series, I start acting like that particular character. And I never want myself to be somebody that's not original when it comes to the videos. That is one thing I've learned. And if you're doing a script on West Delhi girls, the Baji girls, I'm a West Delhi girl. Take whatever it takes from me. I'll give you everything that West Delhi girls do.
Let's connect on Instagram then.
We definitely are. I also want
I think we would
expensive
be mean
lehengas,
to
man. Once you
assign
wear it, please send it to me.
a particular region, but yes, we just like Delhi girls, the metro girls, they
The
can
metro
be anywhere.
The-
Those who take Kodkar do a metro.
I
but
don't
they
know a
can be
lot
anywhere.
about you Urdu girls, but we can definitely do a Urdu into Punjabi collab. You don't get me, I don't get you. That can be a brilliant collab because a lot of people
So
won't
Soha
get
is
it.
getting married from Punjab. Okay, so our father lives in Punjab. So yeah, and obviously we have a
Right.
lot of following from Punjab and Pakistan. So yeah, that will be very good. We must do something.
So you got an idea?
Okay,
Just
thank
say.
you, Vips Walo, very good. I'm just disconnecting the call and going with the Baji girls. Thank you for this. Actually, the purpose
No,
is
no,
served.
no.
You're most welcome.
Let us just end this. Then you can.
Yes.
Yaar,
And
please
one
call me to the
question.
wedding. It's been a time कि मैंने गुलाब जामुन और आइसक्रीम साथ में नहीं खाए. मम्मी साथ में ऑर्डर नहीं करने देती. वेस्ट दिल्ली होते हैं थोड़े ऐसे ही. माँ बाप तो शादी में मिलेगा. Please call me.
हाँ, definitely.
Okay, sorry
Okay,
for this
so-
intervene since
Ready.
Adine ma'am
Yeah.
has joined us lately. So we welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.
So I have one question to the Bajis कि आप बहनें आपस में कोऑर्डिनेट कैसे करती है? लाइक मैं और मेरी बहन तो काफी लड़ाई झगड़ा बातें ये वो, तो आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन और प्यार कैसे
हमें तो
होता है?
इतना
So this
प्यार
is
है
one
कि मत
thing.
पूछो. हम कोई बाहर बैठा होता है तो पहले एक चप्पल उड़ के आती है, फिर दूसरी चप्पल उड़ के आती है, फिर पूछते हैं लोग क्या हो रहा है अंदर, तो मेरी अम्मी कहती है अंदर महाभारत चल रही है. So बहुत लड़ाई होती थी. Most of the videos that we made in the beginning हमारी लड़ाई हो जाती थी, तो we used to shoot separately and then compile the videos. अब दोनों एक दूसरे के WhatsApp पे ब्लॉग्ड है, तो Instagram पे वीडियो एक्सचेंज चल रहा है. और सोहा तो बिल्कुल भी सीरियस नहीं थी, मुझे हाथ पैर जोड़ना पड़ते थे. Now she is so serious and I have become a little lazy. So तो बहुत मजा आता है, और आप लोग के लिए गिफ्ट भी है मेरे पास, क्योंकि मैं बड़ी बहन हूँ.
That was not
बड़ी बहनें रूल्स हाँ.
We can totally relate.
I am so okay with it. It's like ये तो नाश्ता पानी है, 2 सुबह मिल जाते हैं नहार मुंह और 2 सोने से पहले. But उससे हमारी केमिस्ट्री भी बहुत अच्छी
The
होती है.
only one
They're
thing that I hate
sisters.
about younger sisters is that they always get to sit on the front seat in the car.
No.
और वो सीट बेल्ट भी नहीं लगाते हैं. Like they're stubborn about not wearing the seat belts, not following any rules,
No,
and they still
I
get
am
to sit
the
on the
real
front seat.
daughter of
I
my
was never allowed
parents.
to sit on the front seat.
She is the adopted one, so hence जो मैं चाहती हूँ वही होता है.
And coincidentally, I look just like my mother.
So I
So
tell her that my
that's what
mother-
every sibling tells the other one. I'm sure
Every
that's what
younger sibling is adopted.
Yeah.
नहीं, मैंने
my
तो
mother
when my
got her
sister
from
was
her,
about to
Mecca.
when my sister
She
was
wasn't
about to
born
get
here.
delivered, I was 6 years old. I went to my mother and I was like, अगर नया बच्चा मेरा टेंशन लेगा तो मैं उसे नाली में फेंक दूंगी. मम्मी मुझे you can't be serious. And when she was born, she was actually tiny and I was measuring the pot कि इतने में फिट आ जाएगी क्या वो? I'm like हाँ आ जाएगी.
Okay, so Vipasha, last question of the session for real. So, what do you consider yourself as, like a comedian first or a singer first? What is this?
Why
thing?
is everyone so hell-bent on
No, this
asking me
question is
this? I
being
told you I'm a
repeated. I have
performer.
already asked this question.
We just want
No,
to know,
no.
really. We just want to know because it's like ऐसा होता है, हमने जनरली देखा है कि लोग पहले सिंगिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर कॉमेडी में या फिर ऐसे कॉमेडी स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन दे लाइक लेट्स ऐड टू द स्किल. So ऐसा.
I
So
feel
what
like
was your
both of
thought?
these things are a very big part of my personality. Comedy comes naturally to me because I've always been quirky, and singing मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ. So I mean both of them are a very very visible thing of my personality. And any artist, they will be, any like creative person will have interests in like the same zone. बहुत सारे musicians बहुत funny भी होते हैं. Like if you see सोनू निगम के interviews या किसी का भी देखो तुम, तो वो लोग बहुत ही funny बातें भी करते हैं. Even that girl Sugandha, she used to like sing and do comedy on Kapil Sharma, if you remember.
Right.
Yeah. So even Kapil Sharma sings. So आप अब ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते ना, कपिल शर्मा अपने शो पे गाने गाता है तो उसको ये मत बोलो ना कि गाना मत गाओ, या तो सिर्फ कॉमेडी करो. या so I guess
No.
that's why
I didn't mean
I'm an
that.
entertainer.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see if any audience has the questions for the panelists.
मैं भी बड़े होके सिंगर बनना चाहती हूँ.
Audience, you can put your questions in the question and answer box, and then we can conclude the session.
Panelists can read the questions in the Q&A section. and answer the questions.
Okay, so we have this question for Yashvi. So the person Shubham Suji is asking, what do you want to do further with this? What do you want to do
What
further
I
in
want to
life?
do further, see, I'm doing
Yeah.
architecture. It's a benefit that comes with architecture that there are a lot of people that bring plans to you that you have to sanction, and you get 2 lakh per plan. So that is what I'm doing monetarily, because collaborations are not giving me enough. Yeah. But because I have this acting ka kida in me, so I'm gonna pursue my masters in Bombay. Let's see if I get to connect with this one person that's approaching me for a series. If that works, it's well and good. Otherwise, you always have to have a strong backup. Okay, you can never approach your mom, dad in Delhi saying, "मैं actor बनना चाहता हूँ." They're like, दरवाजे से बाहर जा अपना सामान उठा के, ठीक है? So make your backup strong, man. Doing architecture, then we'll see how it goes on further. That is the plan for now.
Okay, so we received the question. So that is, how do you all deal with the hate or like the pressure of being an influencer? So anyone
मेरे
can
को
answer.
influencer नहीं बोलने का, content creator बोलने का, मैं पहले बता रही हूँ. TikTok में मैं lip sync नहीं करती हूँ.
Okay,
Influencer
let
नहीं
me
बोलूँगी.
rephrase the question for you. How do you deal with the pressure that people are watching you? People are following you on Instagram, on various platforms, and people are
Right.
looking up to you. So yeah. So what is the pressure, and how do you guys deal with it?
I think for me, it's the same pressure that my parents have on me. Don't do drugs. Don't wear too short clothes in the market because people will stare at you. Don't do alcohol too much on the stories. Don't go late partying because Delhi is not the correct city for it. And that is exactly what an influencer should follow. Your audience is your second parent. They'll object on anything that you do that they can't do right now. So that is my simple formula.
Okay, Vipasha, what are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, there's so much amount of pressure. I feel like everyone is going to nitpick whatever you do. So, initially तो obviously I would be like, जैसे ही मेरे followers बढ़ना शुरू हो गए, मैं अपनी stories को filter करने लग गई थी. Like पहले जैसे मैं कभी makeup नहीं पहनती थी, I would be very natural and मुझे कुछ awkward नहीं लगता था उस चीज के बारे में. And then I started getting, weird comments कि वो you should wear makeup and you should blah 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 blah. And then I actually started getting conscious about all those things. But of late, I've decided that no, it is your natural self that people connect with, that people like. ये तो फालतू के लोग हैं who like follow you to see how far you are going, and like they'll have a thing to say about everything you do. So instead, like, I'm trying to be more natural. Of course, you have to be very politically correct also. Like एकदम आप 100% अपनी मन की बात नहीं बोल सकते हो. You have to kind of थोड़ा सा एक filter करना है so that you don't offend anybody. I think that's a very mindful thing that you can do. But
Yeah, under
otherwise,
every post you should mention this is only my opinion in capitals and caps lock. This is
Nowadays,
my
it's very
opinion, just
important
so
to
that you
mention
know.
all these things.
yeah.
That is very
Yeah.
important.
There
Yes.
is
Yeah,
one
I
more
agree, I agree.
question that's there. It is that what if you need to start making a video, how should you start it? Like, what's the first step to success? Let's start with the Bajis. They're quiet for a while.
I think
Pack the pillows in place because if your mother comes screaming in the video, it won't look nice.
so. I think if you think that you can dance or you can do comedy or anything that you think that you can do as part of your passion, just give it a shot. It might work and it might not work. It has got a lot to do with I think destiny, fate, luck, and how good you are. You can only be judged by people who are watching you. So give it a shot. See if it works. At least you should not feel later on that you didn't try. So just try. It will work. और सोशल मीडिया है तो आप कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको, अगर आपको इवन 1000 people start following you, उसमें से 10 भी आपको appreciate करें, at least when you go to sleep, you're laying in your bed, you know कि नहीं यार किया 10 को तो अच्छा लगा. So give it a shot. Who cares? और नहीं तो अपने लिए बनाओ यार, enjoy करो, कुछ नहीं होता.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
definitely.
Vipasha, what would you like to say on this?
Yeah, just start it यार. मतलब I feel like we have big plans and हम सोचते हैं हम पहली चीज जो create करेंगे वो एकदम best होनी चाहिए, वो 100% होना चाहिए, and in the process we end up judging our own selves. But as the Baji sisters said कि only the audience can judge you. आप नहीं कर सकते अपने आप को judge, and as an artist it is your duty to deliver. rather than like restrict yourself. तो बस करते रहो. It's a long journey. Don't think that एक बार में आप one hit wonder हो जाओगे. सबके साथ नहीं होता ऐसा. So, like even मेरा जो मीम सॉन्ग वायरल हुआ था, इवन मेरा रामायण स्केच, तो वो इतने सालों बाद, like after so many years of uploading videos on YouTube, uploading covers, doing this, doing that, I've done very random stuff on like the internet, and after all of that, at this age, like at 23, I'm going viral. When I started back in like, I don't know, at 15 years, तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते. It's a very long journey, so just treat it like something. It's a long term thing. Yeah.
And the first video that you make, that is probably वो बाद में आपको लगता है आपने बहुत सबसे खराब वीडियो वही थी, because if that video goes viral, next वाली has to be better than that, उसके next वाली उससे better. So just start with whatever you have, क्योंकि अगली वाली तो उससे बेहतर बनानी ही पड़ेगी.
और फिर रिंग लाइट का खर्चा और माइक का खर्चा तो है ही. वो तो कहीं नहीं गया.
Yeah,
my friends actually use my first video to blackmail me, because that's on unlisted on YouTube, and they're like, we still have the link, so if you're gonna do this to us, then we're gonna get this viral. And I'm like, that's the most embarrassing video, but you have to start somewhere.
I had blogged everyone, and for that matter, I had blogged my fiance because I was so embarrassed. I thought वो देखेगा तो he'll be like, sorry bro, शादी तो नहीं हो पाएगी.
Did he call you after that and tell you कि अच्छा अब तो मुझे block कर दिया बड़े लोग? Did you get to hear that बड़े लोग? That is something very often.
It was so funny because he actually received the link of Facebook from somewhere within 2 days, and he sent it to me and he said, good going, you should have told me, it's actually very nice. Like that. But I was so apprehensive, but initially तो आप होते हो, but eventually इतना
because if you see us in the videos, you will not recognize us. सोचोगे कौन है ये? We look like 40-45-year-old ladies.
You look young and beautiful.
Yeah.
You look 22 से आगे उम्र बढ़ी नहीं.
Makeup, anybody can look.
This is your fiance speaking before marriage. You look like 20. After 2 days, it's gonna be like, what is this 40-year-old woman? Man, take her back.
No, but after 2 days of marriage, there will be a sock in his mouth. So like his days are over. Like that's never happening. Gone are the days.
Yeah.
I think we should definitely connect.
So with this beautiful session that we had, we have to come to an end. And let me give it to Ambika to end this session with beautiful women like you. Thank you so much for coming, Ambika.
Thank you, Pragati.
Thank you.
So as we are concluding this, I will request our Dean Ma'am, Professor Dr. Charulata, to please say a few words. Charu Ma'am, are you with us?
I think, Ambika, let's continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So moving ahead, I would request our teacher, Dr. Devrati Dhar, if you can say a few words for a beautiful artist.
This session was a perfect combination of, comedy and melody. And I believe comedy is one of the difficult genre, and you, such bright talents, are giving it to us with a grace. So congratulations for doing such great work. And I thank you all for, being a part of our event. And I'm sure all of us have learned something from your experiences as content creators. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, so I would now request, because all of us are dying right now to hear once again Vipasha.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll get my. So this is the favorite song of our whole generation, I feel. तड़पाए मुझे तेरी सभी बातें, एक बार है दीवानी, झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर, मैं भूली नहीं हंसी मुलाकातें, बेचैन करके मुझको मुझसे उड़ा फिर नजर, रूठेगा ना मुझसे मेरे साथ ये वादा
कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ जा रे, आ जा रे, आ जा रे.
Thank you.
Wow.
It was amazing.
This is so beautiful.
So much.
Okay, the Bajis, we have a special guest, and it is a faculty member, Tehzeeb ma'am. Are you here with us? It's a if you can just switch on your camera. Say a few words.
Yeah, so I am a huge fan of the Bajis. I've been following your content since I think May or April, ever since so you were 2 videos down and my sister sent it, and normally every second on video call we just copying you all. So माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो.
थैंक यू. तो जुगलबंदी करना चाहिए थोड़ी सी. आप भी थोड़ा कुछ बाजी स्टाइल में हमारे लिए से समथिंग.
हाँ,
सलाम.
माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. दम भर के फूंक देते.
कहाँ होते इतने यंग और अच्छे प्रोफेसर्स, हमें तो नहीं मिले.
So great going, guys. Like, you brought a smile to my face throughout the lockdown. So it was one of the great things that happened in the lockdown.
Thank you. Thank you for considering us, and this was actually makes us feel honored. I mean, abhi college se nikle aur abhi we are being part of a fest. I did mass comm from myself from Jamia, so I can very well relate.
That is my alma mater too. I also did development communication from MCRC.
Oh, I did mass comm from MCRC, and hum bhi karte the media fest organize. I also taught media studies at Chandigarh University. So I'm like, media fest hai to ye to banta hai karna. Thank you.
Thank you for recommending us. हमें बहुत मजा आया. And everybody else, thank you so much.
मैं बाजी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि वो एक बार दोबारा परफॉर्म कर सकती है हमारे लिए.
हम तो इंतजार कर रहे थे कौन से आप बोले, हम तो दुपट्टे लेके बैठे हैं.
डिमांड में हमारी बाजी.
बेटे मजा तो बहुत आ रहा होगा, इतनी औरतों में एक आदमी अकेला बैठा है. मजा आ रहा होगा, मुंह पे बहुत मुस्कुराहट है.
चश्मे के पीछे मुझे लग रहा है शैतानी बहुत है लड़के में. मोहम्मद गुलरेज नाम है इनका.
हाँ, दाढ़ी में 4 बाल ले लेते हैं, औरतों में आके बैठने लगे.
यही है, मोबाइल चला चला के यही हो गया इन सब. क्या नहीं कह रही हूँ, इतनी खूबसूरत सी लड़की, इसने कितना अच्छा गाया. ये सब मीठा बेटे हमारी है ना, शादियों में हम ढोल पे गा लेते हैं. हाँ, बुलाओ मोची बनाओ जूते. हाँ. तुम गा देना हमारी यहाँ.
हमारी लेकिन आवाज बहुत फटी हुई है, तुम्हारी रंग नहीं है. वैसे तुम देख लो ना इसको अपने बेटे के लिए.
शर्मा जी के बेटे के लिए देख लो इसको. मैं ही पूछ रही, तुम पूछो. हाँ बेटे, शादी हो गई आपकी? क्या करती हैं?
नहीं, अभी तो सिंगल हूँ.
अच्छा, इतनी उम्र हो गई बेटे. 23 साल में तुम्हारे 4 बच्चे थे. 4 बच्चे. मैं अपने बड़े वाले लड़के से 3 साल बड़ी हूँ बस. हमारी तो जल्दी हो जाती है शादी. अब मुझे ना असल में बेटे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मगर वो जो समोसा चाय आपने रिफ्रेशमेंट में हमें खिलाया ना, उससे मुझे गैस हो गई. एसिड की बहुत तकलीफ रहती है.
बीमार रहती है. इनके ससुराल वालों ने इतना परेशान किया है बेचारी को. ऐसी हो गई. छोड़, ऐसी हो गई. बहुत खूबसूरत लगती थी, बस थी जरा पतली सुतली. डंडा.
अभी हमें भी अंडा आलू खिलाइएगा. अंडा आलू खिलाइएगा आपके हाथ का.
चिड़ हो गई अंडे आलू से. चिड़ हो गई. लोगों ने भी इतना बोला अंडा आलू, हमें चिड़ हो गई अंडे आलू से. बेटा और बड़े पहिए पहन लेती कानों में. तुम इतने बड़े बड़े जो पहन के आई हो, और बड़े बड़े पहिए पहन लेती.
कवारी लड़कियों को अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं.
जी मेरा पेट है, ये मेरे पीछे रहता है.
निकलते बलाएं चिपट जाती हैं लड़कियों पे. बलाएं आ जाती हैं, जिन आ जाते हैं जिन.
ऑनेस्टली हमारी कॉमेडी में हम उन सारे जितने लोगों ने हमसे ये सारी बातें बोली है ना, ये क्यों किया शादी से पहले, वो क्यों किया, हमारा अल्टीरियर मोटिव यही है कि उन्हें मैसेज
बदला ले
कि प्लीज ये सब बातें मत बोला करो, जीने दो हमें.
And that's a very nice way.
Never script our videos. हम ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे बनाते हैं.
I would like to
One take only.
thank you guys,
Naturally
Vipasha, Yashvi, and the Bajis. Thank you so much for performing for
Thank
us.
you, everybody. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Thank you.
So I
Thank you,
request
Tehzeeb
everybody
ma'am.
I request everyone to switch on their cameras.
to switch on their cameras so that we can
all
take
the
pictures with
artists
you.
and all our sponsors, Mr.
Teachers, ma'am, sirs, everybody.
And
Hi Sahil sir. Hi Neha ma'am. Hi Tehzeeb ma'am.
Hello.
Hi,
So good to
Vipasha.
see you.
Hope you wonderful performance by all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
hairstyle.
Thank you, thank you. This is again lockdown का effect.
Hi Dhar ma'am. मैं किसी को मिस ना कर दूं.
Okay, so
Thank
for
you all.
the
Thank you.
attendees, the feedback form has been shared in the chat box. Please do fill the feedback form so that we can know your lovely responses for the session.
Yes. Also, did you take the group photo?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Okay, great.
Okay, Roger that, Roger that.
Yeah.
Since we are ending this, I would like to thank this beautiful guest, Miss Soha, Miss Shazma, Miss Vipasha, and last but not the least, Miss Yashvi, for taking out
Thank you.
time from their busy schedules and joining us for this delightful afternoon.
The
I
pleasure
would
is all
also
ours.
thank our lovely audience for their enthusiasm and participation to make a success.
And we also apologize.
Yeah, for being late. But
Thank
okay,
you.
chalta hai, I guess.
But I'm sorry for being late.
Okay, so and a sincere thanks to our mentor and faculty coordinator, Anurag, for guiding us and supporting us at every step, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You students, amazing and commendable job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
You
sir.
guys for getting the Bajis for since the moment me and Tehzeeb ma'am discussed about them in the staff room, and kudos to you that you could actually get them on our platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. I request all of you to please fill in the feedback form for our event. The link is in the chat box. You can also follow our gifting partner, Mr. Mustache's Cake. The link is also mentioned in the chat box. And I would love to mention our team members, Trisha, Vani, Pragati, Divij, Riya, and me, myself, Ambika. We have more events in store for you, so stay tuned with us. I hope each one of you is safe and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Lovely
much.
meeting
Thank
you
you
all.
all.
I'm ending this
Bye.
meeting.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.